Good morning. Another video again about laptop repairs. Man, the bolo every day. Now what people let be get to the one copy king fire style. Whoa. Bolo. Show. Okay, so today we'll get depending on my mood though, and it won't not depending on my mood, because every day I want come I get like how many laptops for down here. Get like come inside the gate for morning time. I don't get almost like 17 laptop already was supposed to repair. Imagine repair 17 laptop for one day. My brain must be big like say a clock. Instead of part the cord where they flow inside brain not small. Anyhow, so I don't choose for work me on this one. He already they open. When HP 6 HP wait the model for this HP. There are two of them here. HP probook 640 G2. We could get busy with one. We could see the problem. Wait till the door. Okay. We'll plug charger. See what thing happen. But before we go that far, everywhere we start, we'll check our voltage first, because we need to get 19 volts for most of these standard laptops. So we'll take our multimeter, put on there, check if we get our voltages. We need something for support. This metal we don't spoil this. This metal don't finish. Okay. We'll see better. Good. Black na almost negative and then red na positive. Okay, we'll not get voltage here. Or maybe not make another work well. Okay, get 19.5 there. Yo, what's happening? You check the laptop. Are you gonna buy it? You're gonna buy it like that? How much you gonna buy it? Okay, sharp. I'm busy fixing this other laptop here. I wanna see what's happening to this other one. Okay, put it. So who is there on your laptop? Okay. So we'll test, see if it works or not. I connect the charger. Nothing. The laptop don't already be open, and that's why I buy them anyways. So the base of buy them like that. Auction they sell all kinds of things. So I don't know this one. And that not the work. Make we see what's in the happen. Don't open most of the things. The one screw they see here. The whole laptop they don't be open. Oh, some man trouble. Don't want this. I not get the right screwdriver. But to open this place. Come on, my screw. Okay. We'll try to dispatch them here. See what in the motherboard carry for us. We'll see what the motherboard carry here. Some screws still here. One screw and we see. We could take them out. Then we will see what the laptop carry inside. Oops. Oh, some Allen key screws today here as well. So I get to get a particular screwdriver for that, not this. You haven't been sleeping?
I don't know what's going on.
You have been busy at night thinking. What are you thinking? You're not thinking, you're doing what?
Just studying.
You're studying? Oh. You're adding things to your brain.
My brain is eating. They eat my brain.
It almost means you must eat, my man. To be reading, you must be. Okay, let me see. Let me get busy here. I hope this Oops. Okay. Where's the start screwdriver again? Oh, hey. I keep looking for things that are in front of me. Not really, but many things. Hidden screw under the DVD writer. People. One of my friends there, his name is Drake. So yes, Drake. And then yesterday we were talking, and then we were saying, but maybe Lucky Drake. You know, his name is Lucky Drake. And then we were like, maybe Drake copied the name from him. Hey, the way he was laughing. We were like, my guy, maybe Drake copied your name. Hey, the guy was laughing. Who? That guy was talking shit like that. Talking nonsense. Talking nonsense? Wake up in the morning calling me talking nonsense again to add to it again? Which means that the nonsense he was talking yesterday was not enough. He wake me up to add the nonsense again.
He's always high. He smoke a lot.
But when you're high, you must behave. You can't get high and then you're like that. When you're like that, to me, you're not high, you're low. Which means maybe smoking low grade. If you're smoking high grade, how can it be talking nonsense instead of talking high things? Okay, we're going to work on this one. Let me now keep this side and work on this side. Because the machine is not starting, and that is where my job is. My job is here. Let me get busy. Yeah, this is the same motherboard like that one of yours. Isn't this the same motherboard like that one I got from you?
Yes, you sent it.
It's the same motherboard.
Yeah, I think it's the same.
So I got lots of them now. Let me start with this one. I need to fix this one first. Where's my charger? Where is my charger? Where is my charger? Which one? Who gave you the wrong charger?
No, the power plug.
I gave you the wrong power plug. What did you take? Why didn't you tell me to change and give you the one that is charging?
I think you're gonna change it. I didn't want to disturb you yesterday. You were so busy.
Okay, let me test this my laptop. All I want to do now is to fix this my laptop that it should work. Okay. First step. This man is calling me like this. First step, we check if anything is hot. Nothing is hot. Nothing is hot. Okay, we test our voltage. If the voltage is penetrating, 19 volts. as the input. But the quickest way to quickly check this thing, you just put one terminal on the negative and then you go. 19 volt first from here. There we got it from the charging port. Then there's a transistor, a MOSFET here. Check after the MOSFET. We don't have anything. At the gate of the MOSFET, let's check again. We don't have anything at the gate as well. We don't have anything at the gate. I'll show you properly. The charging port here. Charging port gets there. We get 20 volt. Then we proceed. Here's a MOSFET. This is a MOSFET. You must have 4 legs. One is the gate, one, all of them are connected, is the input. One is the gate, which is this one. This is the gate, this is the input, and that is the output. At the output, if we don't have 19 volt, we don't have 19 voltage, which means there is a problem. So the voltage is not crossing. There's a shortcut for that. You're gonna see what we do as we proceed. 19 volt is not on the main relay. So let's see how it goes. We're going to take test shots. If there's no shot, we're going to cross the MOSFET, and then the MOSFET will just cross the voltage into the machine, and problem might be solved. For now, let's put our multimeter on diode mode and test if there's any short first. Put the multimeter on diode mode. On diode mode, when there's a short, we'll hear the noise, ping ping. That is a short noise because I'm testing from earth to earth. You can see one of my terminals on the earth, the next one is on the earth as well. So we're gonna test the first port of entrance. We don't have a short. We don't have any short there. At the main relay, we don't have a short as well. That is the main relay of the voltage. We don't have a short. Well, that was the battery's main relay, and then this was the charger main relay. Oh, at the charger main relay we have a short. At the charger main relay we have a short, which that should be the problem. Okay, there's a short on the relay. Let's track that down and solve that problem. Okay. Okay, there's a short on the motherboard here. That's the short, and that is the problem. We have to solve that problem. Let the motherboard come out first, and then we can work. Okay, I'm just going to work on this motherboard. I'm going to work on this motherboard. Let's see what's happening here. Where is this shot coming from? I think it should be a capacitor. The capacitors are short. When the capacitors are short, it's a mission. This is a mission. Testing these capacitors one by one. It's a big mission. Anyhow, a day man must fix the laptop. Mokufsi. We'll track down the capacitor where to keep it down. From this machine, say make the machine work. We need to the tools we use here in a hot air. We use hot air. That hot air machine, this one. We will use that. Okay, let's track down capacitors. Let's track down capacitors. And a paste. And our heat, the 480 degrees Celsius, degrees heat, hellfire hot. If they got this capacitor is because it is short, so we'll see whether they get problem or not. This hot end is very hot quick, I don't know why. We'll remove them one by one like that. Test them first. If it works, good. Capacitor routine and testing time. This one don't spoil. This capacitor don't spoil, this small one. Maybe the problem. don't see the capacitor with the problem, the short don't finish for the motherboard from the earth to the line in who we get short. You see the short not there again. Hope so you guys see, because I'm using a one gadget take fix laptop, take answer call, take make video to take show how people fix laptops. See, maybe easy thing for the kings, eh? And that, so the short don't finish, the short don't end. So we just simply find this capacitor, change the capacitor, change this capacitor, and the problem will finish. We're looking from another old motherboard, replace them here. We can look for old motherboard, make a check, show you. Most of them there are 24 voltage, 24 volts, sorry, whatever you call them, now you know. But most of them are 24, so we will take out this one from this man, because and the reason I said this one for corner power port, so it show us that this one be likely to be the same voltage with this one. I want change. This I will need again for take out this one and my paste. And my hot air. This is my hot air. When you take it out from there, it will start hot on its own. So we don't take the same capacitor from another old motherboard, because that one said board for space. Now we then use it here for the motherboard we will need. We use the same we use the capacitor here. We will put these capacitors on back, and then the machine will surely work. Look at position there. don't change them. Don't change the capacitor. So make it cool down. We will see if you work, but it will work. One capacitor this small thing. Okay. Now I'm going to test if the short still there for that board. Anywhere where you see this port, you're negative. So you put your multimeter there again. Then you test your ray line. Your ray line be that you not get short again. The problem don't be solved. The short will be there here, not there. Short still there. Short not there here again. Short not there here again. The other side na negative. Now why they make noise? The other side na negative. The other side na positive. You not get short again. So we could test the motherboard now. For enough space, we will send back this hot air for you up for up station there. For where would you keep them? And then we will take back the panel for this laptop, assemble them again. Then it would work. By that time we don't finish assemble the laptop. So we could see where I keep the covers. I don't know. I think I do this for here. Yeah, I'm gonna cover them with this. Couple everything again. We'll put back the CMOS batteries. Then we'll put back this thing now, this panel. Don't put that panel. We'll put our screws. Where we see the small sign like this one, and a place for put screws sign like this. If you not see sign like that, which means that from outside the screw will come from. If you see screw, and there the screw need to be. If you see that port, and there screw need to be. Put your screws. Okay, we'll connect the power, motherboard power. And then here also we'll connect the fingerprinting. Okay, we don't finish connect all these ones. Hey, Fernando, my guy.
I'm here.
How are you, man?
I'm tired. Had some KFC, man.
So you passed by KFC there, you saw KFC, now you want it.
That's why for you to supply, man. Just stay by your shop. Just stay when you pass. When you come here, no KFC, brother. What's wrong with that?
So I must have it ready here so that when you come, there's KFC here.
Too much food in this street.
Hey, you, my guy.
There's too much food. We got to eat. Like jollof rice, at least something.
Don't worry, there's a lot of food around me. There is jollof rice on the corner there.
Yes, I saw all of them.
You see, there's KFC, and then after KFC, it's not even enough, ne? There's a pizza shop down the road, and then there's chicken lick in here.
Now you're going too far now. There's the stuff, brother. You do your things, eh?
Okay, sure. You said,
I already showed the part where it's broken, eh?
yeah, show me that part that is broken. Now, after this, I'm going to replace it.
Alright, there we go.
Okay,
sure.
sure.
Go and get myself changed.
Sharp, my guy.
Yeah,
Okay. Different laptop to fix. Every minute, laptops are coming for fixing. Every minute, every second, the laptops are fixing. Every minute, end up like 20 laptops to fix per day. It was 7, now it's like 12 to fix per day. Okay, I forgot I'm still on this one. As soon as that shot finish, I assume that the laptop they fine. As soon as the laptop that shot finish, I know that the laptop will work. So make a test. That's why I buy the laptop like this. So make a test, and then I will get the other parts from there. We'll put our charger back. We'll get light here. Yebo, hey, how are you guys?
See after how long I've been like this.
Now we'll get the memory problem. So we'll put memory here, and then we'll see if the things they good. But at least they don't come on. Which RAMs are you talking about? So the power is here. DDR4 8 gigs.
Yeah.
You want how many of them?
2.
You want 2 of them?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't what?
With this one, graphic card.
Graphics card. What's wrong with the graphics card there?
I don't know where you can test it. I want to see if it's working, and then I want the adapter.
Oh, how many gig is this graphics card?
1 gig. No, not the small ones. For the desktop.
Yeah, I know. But
I mean the graphic card. I mean the RAMs.
You want the RAMs for the desktop?
Yeah.
Hey, you know the desktop. We talk to Erico now. Here is laptops. Hey, you know my boss. Laptop is Erico. Let me just talk to him so he can give good prices. Is he there? Do you see him? Erico. I'm dead. Hello. I don't know where he is.
It's not there, it's just the lady then.
It's just a lady. Tell her you're gonna call him. Where's Eric? Okay, can you call him that some people want to see him? Can you just call him that someone wants to see him? Go tell her to call him so he can come.
Call him. And then the 8 gig, how much you gonna charge you? 1 8 gig.
Yo, I only have for laptops, my lord.
Yeah, for laptops, it's fine. I want to come back again.
You want to come back when you
But
have
we'll talk because I said I was gonna give you 2 4 gigs and give me 8 gigs solid one.
Oh man, yeah. Oh, this machine is. This machine is using DDR4. Do I have DDR4 memories? I hope I do. I have them. For laptops, I got 16 gig. I got 8 gigs.
So how much is 8 gig?
8 gig is 380 for you, 400 for other people, 450 for other people, and finally 850 to other people. But for you, 380. Sure, ja.
Yeah, and then the cable.
Which cable is that again?
For this one, for the graphic card.
The cable for the graphics card. Okay, I'm coming to check it for you. Let me just test
They
this.
come with the power supply, no.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Okay, now just put our RAM. Let's see if laptop is working. Oh, there's a light there, power light. Let's hope it works. Power light is there. Don't have display, and the noise has stopped. Maybe this screen it's working. It's working. Wow, that's great. That's great. Okay, I'll put the rest of the item in the laptop.
And then here?
Will be ready in less than no time.
Yeah, what's happening here?
You can buy it if you have the mula. Give me 1.2, 1.2.
1.2 for 2, yeah.
1.2 there, you're sorted, my man. You carry that man and vanish. You carry that man and fly away. Yeah, I'm done here. At least this is progress.
And then I want to give you the i7 7 Gen. Which one are you gonna give me? I need something big.
Last time you said you have i7 Dell. You never show up to today. You're always having, but you're not showing
you know
up.
the problem.
I don't know.
I'm using it. You see.
You see yourself now.
Yeah, the program I'm using it. I don't have any problem with it
And
because
now
I'm
this
using
one
machine.
must first work.
Okay, problem solved. One problem solved.